Hello everybody and welcome. Yes, the car is still charging here at 8 amps. It's okay. Today is our third fishing day. We're headed to get some gigantic rainbow trout today. Let's have a look inside. Things are coming along nicely. 3 hours and 35 minutes remaining. Still 8 amps, 43 kilowatt hours added. We're at 86%. I set the maximum here to 90%. Should take just a few hours and we'll be charged to 90%, ready for our trip early in the morning. We were able to plug in and leave the car charging the entire time we were here. We went with the other people they came with to go to the fishing locations. However, I could have charged the car at a faster rate and we could have used it every day going to where we fished. However, there was some open seats, so we went ahead and just rode with the other guys. Looks good. I think this kind of proves that you can take your Tesla just about anywhere and charge it just about anywhere. All right, well, let's head off. We leave here in a few, and let's go get those gigantic rainbow trout. Well, boys, are you happy yet?
Thrilled to death.
Yeah, we came down that little trail over there with all this stuff. Yep. And the guys on the second shift have to drag it all up the trail. How about that? Yes, sir, Bob. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, and here's what we're going to put in right here. How about that? Not bad. Should be fun.
Hi, guys. Be right back.
All right. All right. What can we do to help? Get the hell out of the way. Yeah.
That lets you go real fast.
I used to have a boat on private property here. Because when they're not biting well, you don't be as picky.
No, that is correct. First fish. All right. Excellent.
So if you pull real hard,
Let's see. Yeah, see, just that one little treble hook is all I got him on.
that's why you got to be a little careful.
Yeah.
If you force them too much, you'll rip that thing right out of there.
That's a good size one now, isn't it?
We're after.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
We should have 4 of them.
Yeah, Vince. Nice one. Yeah. It's almost as big as mine.
Actually, yours is a little bigger.
A little bit.
But that's okay.
That's okay. We'll keep catching them. We're good. Oh, it's just a little one.
Yeah, another little stinker.
Yeah. You know what it is? It's deep.
Well, yeah, going deeper.
I mean, really,
It's
truly.
definitely pick things up a bit.
Yeah, absolutely. About the same size as the last one.
Yeah, there's a lot of them this size.
I see.
Like I said, we were filling out with them.
Excellent. That's number
How do you see one?
number 4.
Number
3.
4,
3. All right. Ooh, bigger. It's good size, huh?
So the beauty of it is some of these are under 16 inches.
Yeah,
Because we're only allowed 3 over 16 inches apiece.
I see.
So this one's, I'm pretty sure is under 16, but just to prove it.
Okay. Oh, you move my butt.
Yeah, move your butt a little bit. See, you put it on here.
Yep.
And that
It's
would
right
make
at 15.
perfect. See, we got to have 2 apiece. That size or smaller.
All right, good. We liking that.
Like I said, I've been looking at them. We're at the
Famous last words.
This one,
Yep.
this one is over 16.
Do you think so?
Oh yeah. 11. That one tried to rip the rod right out of the boat.
Good deal. Yeah, you want to measure him?
Nah, I know he is.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, we got enough to perfect this one. This one is a sticker right there.
Oh, nice.
That's the kind that get
he?
He just broke it off, so.
Oh.
Broke the whole thing off, that sucker.
Wow. It's about the same size we've been catching.
This one's under
Maybe.
15.
Yeah. Number 5. He was hooked good.
13 now?
12. Yep. That's a good size one.
The second one, because I run down the lake at a different spot.
Yeah, might be.
That way I can work on a bunch that probably hasn't been working today.
Yep, might be the thing to do.
Most of the time I get all that with a rigger. There's 2 deep holes. So one of them's right in front of that overlook.
Mm-hmm.
The other was other end of the lake.
Right.
That's a deeper hole. That's actually a bigger spot.
How about that for fungus?
Yeah, no kidding.
Let's see. Hey, look at that. Let's see what's the little things on it. See if we can focus. Come on. There we go. Interesting looking, huh? Wow. Are you a cute boy?
Tell by the license plate.
Huh? Are you a cute boy? I bet you are. You're a cute boy, aren't you?
Hey, you gotta get the pictures.
Yeah, look at yeah. You're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. You like toys. Where's your toy? Huh? Where's your toy? You got it somewhere. Where is it? Where's your toy? Do you have a toy? Yeah, you got a toy. We're now charged to 90%. We've charged the whole time we were here at 8 amps. And it's coming down now because we're at 90%. We'll leave it plugged in all night. In the morning, it'll be ready to go. When we get out of here in the morning, it'll be 90%. So we're headed back to Peculiar in the morning. It'll be a straight run. We will charge course along the way. All right, let's have a look here. Our first stop will be Carlton. That's that new version 3 at the Bear Casino. Then Minneapolis, Dow's, Iowa, Bethany, Missouri, kind of the same place we ended up, and back to Peculiar. So it looks to me like we've got 4 charging stops, and that'll get us there, and we're good. Our first charging stop will be in Carlton in almost 3 hours, 161 miles. So it's easy to plug in wherever you go, providing you have the mobile connector. If you're just purchasing a Tesla these days, you'll probably need to add the mobile connector to your car. Some people say, well, I don't use it, it's just laying around. But it's one of those things. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. In our case here at the cabin, it was invaluable. We arrived, we plugged in. Sure, it's slow. I set it for 8 amps. Could have charged as high as 12. Knowing that we weren't going to leave for 4 days, there was no hurry to run it at 12 amps. I kind of calculated that 8 amps would charge us up by the time we were ready to leave to 90%, and we were good to go. So there you go. That's as hard as it is to drive the Tesla. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in tomorrow's video while we're on the way back to Peculiar, Missouri. Take care.